One day, Friday after lunch, I am going back to my office, and one of them in front of my eyes, lowers the arm and picks a yellow ball. Soft toy, basically, soft yellow ball, which again is a coincidence. It's not science at all. It's like if you keep trying a million times, one time it will be right. And it shows it to the camera. It's logged as a yellow ball. And I joke about it, going to the third floor saying, hey, we spent all of those millions of dollars for a yellow ball. And yeah, Monday morning, every one of them is picking every yellow ball. A couple of weeks later, every one of them is picking everything, right? And it hit me very, very strongly. One, the speed, okay? The capability. I mean, understand that we take those things for granted, but for a child to be able to pick a yellow ball is a mathematical spatial calculation with muscle coordination, with intelligence that is abundant. It is not a simple task at all to cross the street. It's not a simple task at all to understand what I'm telling you and interpret it and build concepts around it. We take those things for granted, but they're enormous feats of intelligence. So to see the machines do this in front of my eyes was one thing. But the other thing is that you suddenly realize there is a sentience to them, okay? Because we really did not tell it how to pick the yellow ball. It just figured it out on its own.